The Small Farm Outreach Program Advisory Board was formed in August 2017. Each member is recommended by their peers and recognized as a leader in their field. The mission of the board is to advise the Small Farm Outreach Program in planning, implementing, and assessing initiatives that support small, limited resource, and veteran farmers across the Commonwealth of Virginia. While they hold no administrative authority, their insight and recommendations play a key role in shaping the direction of our program. Board members also serve as mentors, offering guidance and sharing lessons learned with those just beginning their farming journeys. Active in their communities, they work alongside local, state, and national legislators to help influence agricultural policy. And most importantly, their service is completely voluntary. They give their time, experience, and wisdom because they believe in the mission.